Hey Damien, my name is Esmeralda and I work here with SEO Monster Design. And I was actually doing some research here in Albuquerque and I came across your website and I figured you guys can use some help. I'm going to give you 3 tips in this video to help you boost your online presence. And you know, the ultimate goal is for you guys to get more customers. But if by the end of this video, if you like what you heard and if you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business grow, give me a call or, maybe we can get together sometime and, we can have a chat. If not, feel free to use these tips for yourself. So three, three things that we'll be talking today about is going to be content, citation, and backlinks. These are some of the important things when it comes to ranking your website. So the first thing is content. So content is basically anything that you can see on your website, including your pictures and what the pictures are saved as and what's behind the pictures. So that way Google is able to read it. Why is this important? You want to make sure you have enough content on your front page that really explains what you guys do. Also, by having enough content on your front page, you'll be able to add in keywords, key phrases, key terms that people are actually using to try to search for people that do your services. So that is actually the first tip. You want to make sure you have more unique authoritative keywords. So by doing that content that will help drive more business to your business through search engine. So when I was talking about your pictures, if I were to go here and I put save as, it shows me pretty much nothing, right? It just shows like numbers. If you were to save your picture as construction company in Albuquerque, that can be a keyword and it would actually bring power to your website. So that's what I'm meaning about, having your pictures, saving your pictures. So the second thing that I wanted to talk to you about is citation. So if I go over here and all I did was go on Google and I looked up contractors near me, the first thing you'll see is ads. And this is more like a gamble. You're not really guaranteed to get customers when you do ads. And also there is actually a group of people that will not click on ads. And it's maybe because they've had bad experiences with ads or whatever the reason is. And most people actually have ad blockers, so they won't even see your ad. So anybody that is running ads, it is not 100% that you will get business from there, but it does help to get you to the top. But what I'm talking about citations is here. What that is it is essentially your business name and your phone number and the address listed throughout the web in various directories. So what is a directory? Think of it like Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages, anywhere online where it allows for business to list their businesses, information, and services to ultimately have another avenue for customers to find them. So that's tip number 2. If you want to beat out your competitors in Albuquerque, you need to make sure you're doing what they are doing. So what I mean by that is if they're doing Facebook, you need to do Facebook. If they're doing Yellow Pages, you need to do Yellow Pages. It's a way we can identify what your competition is using as far as citations, and we can help you get that the same ones as well. So that's the second tip. Just going out there and finding places to put your business. So third and final thing I wanted to go over with you guys is backlinks. And that has to do with this organic section right here. You want to make sure you have the content on there like we have discussed, but also backlinks. What that is it's essentially another website that is sending a link to your guys saying that you guys have that you guys are like a great construction company and that's what you do, and that will give you another avenue for customers to reach you. That's going to help your ranking in the search engine excuse me, down here, if I look at one of your competitors, right here, we can see that they actually don't have as much content either, but they are beating you guys. So, which is fine, you know, like we can actually help you, and it will be way easier to help you actually go after them and beat them. So, looking at the back end, the backlinks, this is a tool called Ahrefs. This is not 100% accurate. You're going to get all of your most accurate information from Google if you have your Google Analytics set up correctly on your website. But this can give me information that will tell me what's working for you guys and what's not. And right now I can see that you guys only have 21 referring domains. That is giving you 51 backlinks. More importantly, backlinks are not going to do much for you if you're not getting found for the keywords and the key phrases that are going to actually drive traffic to your website. So looking at your competitors, they actually have 317 referring domains, giving them 1.5K backlinks. Now, if I go here, we can actually see what keywords they are using. These are actually types of keywords you're going to want to get up in the search engine to rank for, to start bringing on new businesses if that's what you're looking for. So, but you got to keep in mind, you don't want to use every single keyword that they're using, but you do want to use the special keywords that is bringing them their customers to your website. So that is everything I wanted to go over with you. Sorry I went a little longer than I wanted to, but hopefully it was informational and educational for you, and hope these tips can actually help bring you guys more business. So if you guys work on these 3 things, content, citations, and backlinks, you guys will actually start beating your competition online. If you would like to know more about how SEO Monster Design can help you and get a strategy together for you, give me a call, or shoot me an email, or maybe we can get together and we can go over some stuff. But thank you for your time, and thank you for watching this video, and I really hope to hear back from you.